Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a very good function available in Microsoft Excel. Okay, the function's name is concatenate. Okay, by using this function, you can combine the separate alphabets or numeric numbers in a single column. Got it? So let's start. For example, I have four separate letters PREM. Okay, these letters are in separate columns, but you want these alphabets in a single column. Okay, means combinedly. Okay, prem. You want the output as a prem. Then how can it possible? It is possible in MS Excel by using the concatenate function. Okay, concatenate. Let's start. Click on insert function. Double click on concatenate. Here, system is asking text 1. Select the text letters 1, P. Click on text 2. Select the letter 2, R. Click on text 3. Select the letter E. Click on text 4. Select the letter M. Okay, we have only 4 letters to concatenate. Okay, now you need to click on OK. Here you can see by using this separate alphabets PREM, we have a combined word. Okay, PREM. It will also be applicable on numeric numbers. Okay, suppose for example 1, 2, 3, and 4. These numeric numbers are in separate column, and you want this all combined in single column. Then how? Click on insert function, double click on concatenate function, text 1, select the numeric 1, click on text 2, select the numeric 2, click on text 3, select the numeric 3, and last one click on text 4 and select the numeric 4. Then you need to click on OK. Here you can see these separate 1, 2, 3, 4 numeric numbers are in single column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it? I hope you all will learn from today's session. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe this channel and also like and comment. Okay, I will be